everyone, and welcome back to another episode. I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here again.
Hi, Paul. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. How about you, Emma?
I'm doing really well. I feel calm today, and a little romantic, too.
Romantic? That sounds interesting.
Yes, because I'm thinking about love, history, and sweet stories.
I think I know where this is going.
Before we start, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our channel.
And like this video and share it with your friends who are learning English.
Your support helps us so much. Thank you.
All right, Emma, what is today's topic?
Today, our topic is the history of Valentine's Day.
Oh, that's a beautiful topic.
Yes, and don't worry, everyone. We will explain everything slowly.
Very simple English.
Like two friends talking.
Exactly.
Paul, let's start very simple.
Good idea.
What is Valentine's Day?
Valentine's Day is a special day about love.
Yes, people celebrate love on February 14th.
They give cards.
They give flowers.
They give chocolate.
And sometimes gifts.
People say, Happy Valentine's Day.
They say, I love you.
But Valentine's Day did not start like this.
No, it didn't.
The history is very old.
Very, very old.
Today, Valentine's Day feels happy and sweet.
Yes, hearts, red roses, and cute messages.
But long ago, it was very different.
Different and a little strange.
Yes, a little strange.
So let's go back in time.
Way back.
To ancient Rome.
Long ago, in ancient Rome, February was a special month.
It was not about love cards.
No, it was about nature and life.
And also rules and festivals.
There was a festival called Lupercalia.
That's a big word. Yes, everyone, don't worry. You don't need to remember the name.
Just remember the idea.
Lupercalia happened in the middle of February.
People believed it helped with health and fertility.
Fertility means having babies.
People wanted good luck.
The festival was loud.
Busy.
And not romantic like today.
No flowers.
No chocolate. Definitely no heart-shaped candy.
Now let's talk about Valentine.
Yes, who was Valentine?
Actually, there were a few men named Valentine.
That can be confusing.
Very confusing.
But the most famous story is about one man.
A priest named Valentine.
He lived in Rome.
A long, long time ago.
Around the 3rd century.
That means over 1,700 years ago.
Wow, that's very old.
Yes, and life was very different then.
At that time, Rome had an emperor.
His name was Emperor Claudius II.
He had strong rules.
One rule was very sad.
He did not want young men to marry.
He believed married men were bad soldiers.
So he made marriage illegal for young men.
That sounds very unfair.
Yes, love was not allowed.
But Valentine believed in love.
He believed people should marry if they love each other.
So he did something very brave.
He married couples in secret.
Quiet weddings.
Late at night.
No big party.
Just love.
But one day,
Valentine was caught.
the emperor found out.
Valentine was arrested.
He was put in prison.
That's very sad.
Yes, a very sad part of the story.
But even in prison, Valentine was kind.
He helped people.
He talked to other prisoners.
He talked to guards, too.
There's a famous story about a girl.
Yes, the jailer's daughter.
The story says Valentine became friends with the jailer's daughter.
She visited him in prison.
They talked a lot.
They became close.
Some people say Valentine fell in love.
Others say it was a deep friendship,
Before Valentine died, he wrote her a letter.
and he signed it, "From your Valentine."
That phrase is very famous now.
Yes, we still use it today.
That letter is one reason Valentine's Day is about cards.
And sweet messages.
Sadly, Valentine was killed.
Yes, on February 14th.
That date became important.
People remembered his kindness,
His bravery.
his belief in love.
Later, the church named him a saint.
Saint Valentine.
At first, Valentine's Day was a religious day.
People remembered Saint Valentine.
But over time, it changed.
Slowly.
In the Middle Ages, people began to connect Valentine's Day with romance.
Especially in England and France.
People believed birds chose their partners in February.
That's kind of cute.
Very cute.
So people thought February was the month of love.
Poets wrote about love.
Letters became popular.
Handwritten letters.
Very romantic.
Paul, do you remember your first Valentine's Day card?
Yes, I do.
Tell us.
I was in elementary school.
Aw,
We gave cards to everyone in class.
me too.
The cards were small,
And colorful.
with cartoons and hearts.
And candy attached.
It was simple.
That tradition comes from old love letters.
But now it's for friends too.
Yes, Valentine's Day is not only for couples.
It's for friendship and kindness.
In the United States, Valentine's Day is very popular.
Stores are full of red and pink.
Hearts everywhere.
Chocolate everywhere.
People buy flowers.
Mostly roses.
Red roses mean love.
Restaurants are very busy.
Very busy.
People go on dates.
Some people stay home and watch movies.
Both are good.
Paul, I like that Valentine's Day is not only about romantic love.
Me too.
It's also about caring.
About kindness.
You can say Happy Valentine's Day to friends,
To family.
even to yourself.
Self-love is important.
Very important.
Let's practice some easy words.
Good idea.
Repeat at home, slowly.
Love.
Heart.
Card.
Chocolate.
Flowers.
Date.
Couple.
Gift.
Kindness.
Smile.
Very simple words.
But very powerful.
Paul, do you have a favorite Valentine's Day memory?
Yes.
Tell us.
One year I didn't have a date.
Oh,
I felt a little sad.
that's honest.
But my friends surprised me.
Aw,
They brought pizza and movies.
that sounds perfect.
We laughed all night.
That's love too.
Yes, different kind of love.
Valentine's Day is celebrated in many countries.
But in different ways.
In some places, women give chocolate.
In others, men give gifts.
Some countries don't celebrate it much.
And that's okay.
The idea of love is everywhere.
Even without a holiday.
Paul, why do you think the history of Valentine's Day is important?
Because it shows us something.
What does it show us?
Love is strong.
Yes,
Even when rules say no.
even when times are hard.
People still love.
That's beautiful.
Let's practice some easy sentences.
Repeat at home, slowly.
Valentine's Day is on February 14th.
Valentine's Day is about love.
Saint Valentine helped people in love.
People give cards and gifts.
I like Valentine's Day.
Or, I don't celebrate Valentine's Day.
Both are okay.
Today, we learned the history of Valentine's Day.
From ancient Rome
To Saint Valentine,
to cards and chocolate today.
the story is old.
But the feeling is still new.
Love, kindness, and care.
That's what matters.
Thank you for learning with us today.
We are proud of you.
Keep practicing your English.
One small step every day.
See you in the next episode.
Happy Valentine's Day, everyone.
Happy Valentine's Day! Bye!